Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Ria.
Where are you from?
I am from Agra.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 23 August.
What is your hobby?
I like painting.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages, Hindi and English.
What are you doing?
I am studying.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
What is your favorite season?
I like winter.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
What you want to become?
I want to become a doctor.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two, one brother and one sister.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, two cats.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by school bus.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mango.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking food.
What is your favorite game?
I like to play badminton.
Do you like to prefer to travel by train, car, plane?
I like to travel by plane.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.